As you hopefully remember from the introduction session of this course, there are four main types of price differences that are posted to the material ledger. In the previous chapter, we were examining price differences caused by purchase price differences. In this chapter, we will examine price differences that occur due to changes in foreign exchange rates. Let's assume that there has been a notable change in the exchange rate between the Chinese yuan and euro, and we want to update the new exchange rate to the system. The exchange rates can be updated using OB08 transaction. Material ledger has been configured to use the standard exchange rate type M. Let's use the search function to find the latest valid exchange rate between the currencies for this exchange rate type. Let's assume that the yuan has become slightly stronger towards the euro. I modify the exchange rate and press Save. Now, let's go to post an invoice for one of the purchase orders we created in the previous chapters. I open MIRO transaction. First, let's enter a date for the invoice and the purchase order number for which we want to post an invoice. After the system has copied the data from the PO, I enter the invoice amount here and press Save. The system gives us a message that a document has been created for the posting. Now, let's open the material price analysis again using transaction CKM3N. Under Receipt, we can see that the new material ledger document has been posted related to the invoice posting we just did. This column here shows the price differences related to the changes in currency exchange rates. As we are now examining the price differences using the company code currency, we can see that no exchange rate price difference has been posted. But let's change the currency to the group valuation currency and see what happens. We can now see that a price difference related to exchange rate changes has been posted to material ledger for the group currency. Let's take a quick look at the financial postings related to this invoice receipt. As you can see, the exchange rate difference has been posted to a dedicated GL account. You can see that nothing has been posted to this account in Chinese yuan, but only in euros. Just like in the material document, the price difference was only recorded in euros. In the last chapter of this course, we will be examining what happens to the GL accounts with price differences during the period end process. We have now successfully made our postings to the material ledger. In the next section, things will get even more interesting when we start manufacturing pulp, and you will see what kind of postings happen related to raw material consumption. But there is one more task for you before I let you proceed to the next lesson. In my example, I have only purchased one of the three raw materials we will be needing. Your task is to also buy sulfuric acid and caustic soda. As we will be manufacturing a hefty amount of pulp during this course, no need to be shy with the purchasing quantities, but order at least 500,000 kilograms of both materials. Remember that there is no need to purchase black liquor, as this is a byproduct and something we will be receiving during the manufacturing and not consuming. Please feel free to order the materials in different batches using different purchase prices in order to examine how the price differences are recorded to the material ledger.